Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a custom thumbnail like using this app called Pixel Lab. So you just type Pixel Lab, you'll get it, you will install it. I have already installed it. You can do many things with it. Okay, 3D text will erase, multiple text options, add beautiful stickers, background removals, and many other things. So first let's get right into the app. So as you can see, we are in Pixel Lab, and I'll just press enter for everything. Yeah. So now we get this default background, and you can select many other backgrounds of your own choice. So I choose this. Then before we do anything, we will need to go to this and click on image size. So you'll need to go to YouTube thumbnail, and there are many other things you can do over here, like YouTube channel banner and all that. I'm going to choose YouTube thumbnail, and the width is 1280 and the height is 720. But okay, as you can see, it looks like a thumbnail already. So now here, like, I want to make a thumbnail from an iPhone calculator trick I had done. So I'll click over here, and I can type whatever I want to write on that, like and like I have got this. So here in the bottom left, bottom right, I can select the type of styles and all I need, like size and padding, color and all that. So I think first I will make it a little broad so it looks more awesome, and little down to, yeah, like that. Then you can select the type of font you want. Like I will leave that because I actually like that style which is already there. So now we will need to add some pictures. For that we will need to go to this, and from gallery press I have already downloaded some of the pictures I want, so I just click OK. Like an iPhone calculator, and yeah, that's where I want to place it. And I put add from gallery again, and this is a small picture of the iPhone gallery again. And then we can put the size and add it over here. Maybe I'll add some stickers, like the 100% or something like that. Like these pictures, they like it was 100%. Like this, and I can change the background color maybe. Yeah, something like this. Save as image. Want to hit save to gallery. As you can see now, you can add this thumbnail directly to your phone. If you have seen my last video, you would have got to know how to do that. Now from here you can, it's already saved, so you can go to this and view more of your pictures. Now you go to iPhone calculator trick. Then I will add this edit thumbnail, custom thumbnail, the thumbnail we just made right now. Select and save. Now if I go to as you can see, it has been added, custom thumbnail, iPhone calculator trick. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.